Hello everybody. Today I want to introduce to you something that is really going to help with building credit, right? This is going to help take that score up to where you need it, guys. Today I want to introduce to you Meet Ava, right? It's a powerful tool to help you build and improve your credit. So I'm going to briefly explain a little bit more what it is and how it's going to help you guys build credit, okay? Meet Ava is a financial technology company that helps improve credit. It's ideal for people looking to establish and build credit, credit history, right? It provides an easy way to boost scores without taking on debt. Okay, some of the key features, right? They have three key features. One is the Ava Credit Builder Card. Okay, this works by using your paycheck to cover reoccurring bills like Netflix, utility bills, phone payments, Hulu, different things of that nature. It reports to all three major credit bureaus within 24 hours. So this helps you build positive payment history without taking on debt. Okay, they also have a save and build credit account. This one is probably my favorite. Okay, this allows users to set aside a monthly limit of $25 to $100 over the next 12 to 24 months. Okay, and when you're setting this money aside, basically you're sending this money to them. Okay, payments are reported to the credit bureaus as an on-time loan payment, building credit history. Okay, if you guys can't get a loan, this is a way to save money, and two, it looks like a loan on your credit. At the end of the term, whether you choose 12 months or 24 months, all of that money is granted back to you. Okay, so this is awesome for saving money and building credit at the same time. Another thing, daily credit reporting. Meet Ava reports to all three bureaus every single day. You cannot beat this, guys. You can't find this anywhere. Every day reporting to all three bureaus. This helps increase your credit score faster than any traditional method. Okay. Another great thing about Meet Ava is no hidden fees. It's a very transparent pricing. It's $6 a month annual payment or $9 a month if you're going to pay monthly, right? It's no interest, no extra fees. It's just credit building power. Okay. And basically here's how to get started. You're going to click on the link below or above this video. You're going to create your account with basic personal details. You're going to link your paycheck deposit account. You want to show them that you're making money. I think the minimum is about $10,000 a month. So you're going to link your account so they can verify income and payments using Plaid. And then from there, you're going to start using Meet Ava Builder Card for your bills and expenses. And then you will set up your save and build as well if you want to do both of them, which I highly recommend the save and build because, like I said, you're just putting money aside, basically saving, but also building credit. Okay, I got one real world success story for you guys. My wife started using this Meet Ava about 6 months ago. Her score has increased by 80 points just from using Meet Ava. She's also saved up a substantial amount of money using Meet Ava, okay? Here are some pros and cons for you, okay? Start with the pros. 1, fast credit reporting. Every 24 hours, reporting all three bureaus. 2, no debt or interest. A smarter credit building success for you guys, okay? Number 3, easy setup and automatic payments. Okay. Number 4 is money saved and it's building your credit at the same time. Like I said, that's my favorite. The only cons I can think of, guys, is 2 of them. 1, it's a monthly membership. However, that fee is only $6 or $9. We went ahead and paid for the whole year. And then 2, the card that you get, the credit building card, is mainly for bills, not regular, purchase items. So it's mainly for bills. However, again, it is helping you build that credit up, okay? If you're looking to start building credit, please check out Meet Ava. See how it works for you, okay? If anybody has already used this, drop some comments below and let our other subscribers know, how Meet Ava worked out for you, all right? Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, stay blessed and let's get that credit up.